Hey, so if the AI replace tool is not working in Clipdrop, yeah, like it won't generate replacements, gets stuck loading, or shows errors, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, AI replace needs a strong connection to generate results properly. Next, yeah, refresh the page or reopen Clipdrop. I mean, temporary glitches can stop the AI generation process. Now, use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported browsers can break AI features like replace. Yeah, very complex images can confuse the AI. I mean, try using a clearer subject or simpler background. Now, cached data can block AI tool responses. Clearing cache often fixes stuck generation issues. Yeah, extensions or ad blockers can block scripts needed for AI generation. Try turning them off. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes cache and extension conflicts. Yeah, sometimes the issue is not your device. I mean, Clipdrop servers may be overloaded or down. If nothing works, try a different image or prompt. I mean, some inputs just don't process well. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop AI replace tool not working. Most of the time, it's browser issues, cache, or server problems. Try these steps and it should start working again. Thanks for watching.